You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English, meaning a religious ceremony or act, or very solemn ceremony or act, a social custom, a rite. Yes, it is spelled differently from the word right, your right hand, for example, but it is indeed the same pronunciation. So the spelling here is R-I-T-E. It could be spelled R-I-T, right, right. It could be spelled R-I-G-H-T. It's the same pronunciation, right. It's also the same pronunciation as the verb to write a letter, for example, write. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.